In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear the recent files list in Adobe Acrobat Reader on Windows. If you want to remove the list of recently opened documents from Adobe Acrobat Reader, the good news is that this is very quick and easy to do. This can be useful if you want a cleaner home screen, if you're sharing your computer with someone else, or if you simply prefer not to see old files appear every time you open the app. To get started, open Adobe Acrobat Reader on your Windows computer. Once the application launches, make sure you're on the home screen. This is the main area where Acrobat shows your recent activity, shortcuts, and file-related options. If you're already inside a document, just return to the main home section so you can access the recent files area. From the Acrobat home screen, look for the section labeled Your Files. This is where Adobe Acrobat Reader displays files you've recently opened or interacted with. In many cases, this list appears as part of the main home view, so you shouldn't need to dig through settings or menus to find it. Now move your attention to the bottom right corner of the Your Files section. There you'll see the option that says Clear List. Go ahead and click Clear List. As soon as you do that, Adobe Acrobat Reader will remove the recent files shown in that list. That's all it takes. The recent files list will be cleared directly from the home screen, and you won't need to manually remove each file one by one. This makes the process fast and convenient, especially if you're trying to tidy up the app in just a few seconds. One helpful thing to keep in mind is that clearing the recent files list does not delete the actual files from your computer. It only removes the visible history from Adobe Acrobat Reader's recent list. Your PDF documents and other files will still remain saved in their original folders unless you delete them separately from Windows. If the list doesn't seem to update immediately, give the app a moment or return to the home screen again to confirm the change. In most cases, the list clears right away, and that's how to clear the recent files list in Adobe Acrobat Reader on Windows. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you keep your Acrobat workspace a little cleaner and more private.